Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to do linen stitch or moss stitch crochet. If you miss any of my previous lessons, you can find those links in the description given below. Now first we will start with slip knot, and we will start a chain of an even numbers. We will start with 16 chains, and then we are going to skip first 3 chains and make a single crochet in the 4th chain. Chain 1, skip the next chain and make a single crochet in the next chain. Chain 1, skip the next chain and make a single crochet in the next chain. Chain 1, skip the next chain, single crochet in the next chain. Now repeat for this first row. We should end with a single crochet in the very last chain. Now we completed the first row. Let's start the next row. We have to do chain 2. Now turn our work. Then we are going to skip this first chain and to make a single crochet in the chain space. So now the first stitch is here. Chain 1, skip the next stitch and make a single crochet in the chain space. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the chain space. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the chain space. And now we come to the end of the row to here. We have to make a single crochet. Now we have got those 3 chains which skipped over at the beginning. So now we will make a last single crochet for this row. Now we completed the second row. I hope you enjoyed learning the linen stitch or moss stitch crochet. Be sure to click the bell button and subscribe to get notifications so you won't miss any stitches. Thank you.